Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Are you curious about maintenance management and how it impacts the efficient running of a company? This video will take you on a deep dive into this crucial but often overlooked aspect of business management. We'll explore its main objectives, look at real-world examples, and discuss the different forms of maintenance management. Ready to optimize your company's resources and elevate your team's efficiency? Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of maintenance management. It's a process that involves maintaining a company's assets and resources with the goal of ensuring efficient production and effective resource usage. It's one of those aspects of managing a company that often goes under the radar, but it's crucial for the smooth flow of products through supply chains. So, what does maintenance management involve? It's all about keeping track of assets and parts to ensure production proceeds efficiently with the minimum amount of resources wasted. This is generally achieved by a tailored combination of software, practices, and personnel that focus on these goals. Now, let's talk about the 5 main objectives of maintenance management. First, we've got budgeting. Maintenance managers often work with a limited budget, and when there's greater transparency, there's a greater potential to leverage the funds available. Next, we have scheduling work. It's always a delicate balancing act to schedule employees and personnel. When equipment isn't maintained, the company schedule can quickly get thrown off balance. Thirdly, we have regulation compliance. It's easy to lose track of all the regulations you must keep track of in your company. However, quality maintenance management teams and software keep the necessary information to comply with regulations at your fingertips. Fourth, we have optimizing work. Well-maintained equipment optimizes all the workflows involving equipment, which in turn optimizes employee efficiency and company productivity. Finally, we have improving safety. Safety levels increase when maintenance is properly managed. Equipment breaks down less often, locations are better maintained, and small risks are dealt with in a timely way. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of maintenance management practices and their results. First, we have Simmons Feed Ingredients. They had a lubrication program that worked reasonably well, but when they tried to switch the oil blend used, the company was left scrambling to catch up. It took maintenance over 3/4 of a day to get the plant back up and running, costing the company a large amount of time and resources. Next, we have McDonald's. One particular McDonald's location dramatically improved their speed and productivity by using UpKeep software, bringing equipment downtime to the lowest it can be due to their quality maintenance management practices. Finally, we have Marriott Hotels. They take pride in their seamless customer experience, but their old paper system at one location in Cincinnati, Ohio, was not rising to the challenge. When they switched to UpKeep, the director of engineering operations described the process as smooth as one heartbeat to another, making their day-to-day maintenance processes smooth and transparent. Maintenance management comes in different forms. We have time-based maintenance, which is all about tasks that need to be done at the same time, every time. Then there's predictive maintenance, which monitors asset conditions using sensors. Condition-based maintenance is defined by the use of sensor devices on company assets and equipment. Finally, we have run-to-failure maintenance, which is performed when an asset breaks to get it back up and running again. So, what are the benefits of maintenance management? First, it can lead to cost savings. Regularly measuring and analyzing your assets allows you to see where improvements need to be made. It also improves workplace safety, enhances productivity, minimizes human error, and uncovers maintenance trends. In a nutshell, maintenance management is all about maintaining a company's assets and resources, streamlining company processes, and protecting assets. There are numerous examples of maintenance management done both correctly and incorrectly, and there are multiple types of maintenance management. Maintenance management solutions are worth the initial investment and time they take to set up in order for your company to reach its full potential. To wrap up, the scope of maintenance management covers all aspects of maintenance in all areas that need maintaining. Techniques of maintenance management vary by need and company, but some basic techniques include optimizing for efficiency, protecting assets, and streamlining overall processes. Maintenance management is important because it protects the company's assets in a real, tangible way. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key concepts of maintenance management, its objectives, real-world examples, and different forms. Remember, good maintenance management can lead to cost savings, improved safety, enhanced productivity, and minimized human error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. See you in the next video.